Fooding competition.
Okay, so, you know, we eat a bunch of food.
Yeah. So we're gonna do our favorite competition. Kevin has won them all so far. Let's review. So the first one we did was let's fooding competition. Second one we did was fooding competition number 1. And now we're doing this one. 2.0. Oh, you don't need clap, Kevin. It's the same one.
So, we basically did 2 of these for each
3
round.
rounds.
Yep.
We always end them actually with kombucha, so we're gonna end them with kombucha again.
Okay, so
It's blueberry kombucha.
on the marks. First, we're eating corn dogs.
We're gonna count down from 100. We're not gonna just start eating.
100.
I mean, 10.
10.
Wait,
9.
wait.
7. 5.
No, you want. You want to do whatever you want, actually.
5. 4.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so I can get 2 by the time he couldn't even finish one. So
Yeah, I knew I had a lot of.
I won round 1.
No way he's gonna win. Okay,
So
now
round
let's
2.
move on to candy. Okay, candy challenge now. So we said candy, so now we're doing this one. After this, we're gonna do kombucha, the classic, which we always do. We're not known for that. I don't know, but we are pretty much are.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so I won this round on the kombucha. I won. Okay, and round 3. Let's just do round 3.
Kombucha.
We're gonna do
Okay,
kombucha.
sorry if yours are popped and you mean to do that and it'll freak out. I'm not joking. Wish I could be funny. Anyways.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now, Carter for the punishment test, eat a Carolina Reaper.
Let's do the scorpion pepper punishment. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. No. Gotta chew it and swallow it.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
Ah!
Okay, Crasher and Crashers, make sure you check out the website.
That was it?
Why? What do you know? Milk?
He's gonna dip it in milk and eat it. Eat it now. Chew it up. Okay, so now, he has to eat it. He was trying to fake it, spit it out. You're not spitting it out, you're gonna swallow it.
Ate it all.
Okay, so, it's just a scorpion, not a California Reaper, which is the second.
And I didn't really eat the whole thing. Still.
Because most of it was rotted,
Yeah.
so.
Man, most people try to start.
Okay, so, sure, like, subscribe. Check out the Let's Say Video.
And
Thanks for our videos.
remember, it's all right for you. Bye!